Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome back to Mukura Public School online classes. Hopefully you're fine and doing great at your home with your family. So let's start our today's lecture. This lecture is for grade 4. Our subject is English literature, textbook read now, and topic a TikTok tale. So before starting the topic, we have to revise the chapter, or let's take a short review of the chapter. This chapter was a story of which was telling by a grandfather clock. It's an imaginary story obviously, and it is telling the story to the barometer. They share the story of a dog whose name was Bob, and he was living with his owners on a farm. Bob was a very good dog and kind-hearted dog. Sorry. One day, while he was very ill or very sick, he was about to die. His master thought that he is going to die very painfully and very slowly, so I should shoot him. I should shoot him. So he said to his wife that call me from the work at 1 o'clock. His wife forgot to fasten the face of the clock, as you can see over here, and a mouse creeped on the clock's body and perched on the long hand or minute hand of the clock. That's why the clock was unable to strike one. In the end, the dog was healthy, and the farmer didn't shoot the dog due to the clock didn't strike one. So, this story gives us hope that we should never leave hope and we should be positive in every aspect of our life. So now we are going to start our exercise number 3. You are going to mention, but before that you will mention classwork, and after that date, draw margin line, underline topic and exercise. Topic is a TikTok tale, and our exercise answer this question. So question number 1 is, what kind of clock is telling the time? If you remember the story, I am continuously telling you what kind of clock is telling the story. What kind of clock is telling the story? Now look at the image in the book. Actually, we don't have much images in the book, so look at the image. Yes, can you see the clock in the image? This is called old grandfather clock. What it is called? It's called old grandfather clock. So how we are going to form the answer of this question? We are just going to remove or exchange what kind of clock, what kind of will with old grandfather. Old grandfather will be added only and answer will be same. Old grandfather clock is telling the story. To whom did the clock tell the story? Sorry, I don't have any image of barometer in the book. So to whom did the clock tell the story? The clock, tell will be changed into told to make it fast. The clock told the story to the barometer. The clock told the story to the barometer. Now number 3, when very young, where did the clock live? If you remember the chapter, where was the clock live when it was very young? Yes, very good. How we are going to form the answer of this question? When very young will be same the clock. Where did, it makes it question, so we will remove where did. The clock lived. The clock lived on a, yes, very good, on a farm. How we are going to make the answer of this question? When very young will be same the clock lived. Where did will be removed. The clock lived on a farm. Okay. Question number 4, why did the farmer say that he would need to shoot the dog? If you remember, the dog was very sick, and that's why he decided it was dying slowly and painfully, so he thought that it will be easy and good for dogs to shoot him at once. So the answer of this question will be, you have to remember the story. Bob became sick and was dying slowly and painfully. Bob became sick and was dying slowly and painfully. That's why the farmer decided to shoot him. That's why the farmer decided to shoot him. Now question number 5, when did he wish to be called from work? The whole story based on the clock, so you have to remember what time on the clock you can see in the picture is about to happen. Yes, it is about to strike 1. It is about to strike 1. So the answer of this question will be, he wished to be called in at 1 o'clock. How we are going to make the answer of this question? When did will be changed to he wished to be called. He wished to be called in at 1 o'clock. And you can also write that he wished to be called from work at 1 o'clock. Both are correct. He wished, when it will be erased, or you won't write, you will start because it makes the. Uh, these are questions. This makes the questions. Sorry. He wished. So we will start from he wished to be called from work at 1 o'clock. And the answer, he wished to be called in at 1 o'clock. Both are correct. Okay. And now the last question for today. What did the farmer's wife do to the clock? What did the farmer's wife do to the clock? If you remember the story, the farmer's wife wound the clock. Wound the clock. That's why she left the face open. Okay, she wound the clock. So what will be the answer of this question? We just have to add one word. What did will be erased? The farmer's wife wound up the clock. The farmer's wife wound up the clock. Just we have added wound up to by erasing due to and what did. It will become, it is the answer of your question. So beta, this was end of our topic. What is your homework for tomorrow? What is your homework for today? You have to learn classwork. Okay. Now, thank you so much for giving me your time and watching my video. Take good care of yourself and everyone around us. Allah Hafiz.